In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Age of Empires 2 multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a multiplayer lobby and playing with your friends or random people online is extremely simple in Age of Empires 2. You will run the game, and at the main menu, you will find the two main ways to play with friends or with other people. You will have the co-op campaigns, and you have the multiplayer tab. First, if you select co-op campaigns, you will be guided to create a lobby right away. So make sure that you take this option here for co-op campaigns specifically, and then configure your lobby. You can give it a custom name, which might make it easier for your friends or other random people to join, depending on what you set it up as. The lobby type, unranked, the visibility, public, friends only, private. You can input a password, allow spectators, and control all of the other settings. After this is done and you create a lobby, you will be here. You can invite other players to fill these different slots. They will be able to choose their civilization. So you click the invite button, send out the invite to your friends list of choice, and they will be able to join you. Once everyone has joined, all of you will click the ready button and the host can start the game. Very simple. Now, if you go over to the multiplayer tab instead, you will also have similar options. In general, the process will always be the same. You choose the mode, you will be loaded into the lobby, and you can invite your friends. So you will have ranked if you want to play competitively against other people. You will have quick play, where you are able to choose one of these preset game modes here, configure some basic settings, for example, 2 people versus AI, 3 people versus AI, 4 versus AI, and so on. And then once again, you invite people to your party here through the lobby, or you can choose the option to host a game. One of you will host the game and everyone else will find the custom game to join. Once you host a game, you go through all of the settings once more. You can not enable co-op campaign this time if you want to invite a bunch of other people and do your own game according to your own rules. And all of you can start together, play together, and follow all of the settings that you customized. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.